Hello friends, now take two front ends of your hairs and then start simply tying them all together. After tying them all together, you can see that how we have obtained this very cute hairstyle, and you just note the process, and after noting the process, you can see that how we have obtained a cute bun like this. Now, first apply rubber band to your hairs and divide it the front end. After that, you can start braiding the another end and take the remaining part of your hairs into your braid, and you can make a cute braided bun like this. Well, you are done with it. Start applying the rubber bands like this, and after applying the rubber bands, you can simply make braids out of it. As you can see how jointly we have conjoined them and how perfectly we have made a bun. Now first take this, and after obtaining the rubber band, a thick rubber band like this, you can simply start inserting the layers of your hairs inside this rubber band and cover the hairs or the rubber band like this and make a fluffy bun like it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.